Hello. This is Elle coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I went to Tuesday morning. That's right. I went to Tuesday morning on Wednesday because that's when it's there. Because the girl that usually puts it out only works on Mondays and Thursdays. So she came in today to put stuff out on her day off because she wanted to see what was there. And so I get to see what's there too because they love me there. It's weird. Hello. How you guys doing? Listen, we're at the Tuesday morning. Yep. Check it out. Here we are. Watch this. You ready? Look. See that? That's a basket full of stuff. See that? That's a cart. That's a whole cart full of yummy goodness that's getting put out right now as we speak, okay? Shh, she's not supposed to be putting it out right now, but she's doing it, okay? Because I'm here. So, look at this. We got more Fisker punches in. They have Christmas trees. They have the big daisy. They got the clouds, the butterflies. They even got an elephant. Come on, guys. We got some borders. It has a banner right there. That looks pretty awesome. Whole bunch of stuff. See that? Check it. Look at little star. They even got some of them Fisker's thick tools right there for the scissors. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. There's Tim Holtz punch down there. I'm not buying it. All right. So here we go. So we got all kinds of embellishments and stuff, and that takes us over to this. Check it out. I got a 6x6 pad from Snack Color Vibe. This is Color Vibe 2. All right. Let's take a quick look. I mean, you guys can see the papers on the front, but we'll take a quick flip. They are double-sided. They are polka-dotted on one side and chevroned on the other. It looks like all the colors of the rainbow. You get one of each. These are called Lights, Brights, and Bolds. $2.99 on this one. 224-8340. Then, while we're on the paper pads, let's go ahead and take a look. So, I know it's after the holidays, but they just got this one in. This is the Yuletide Carol Collection for $6.99. 215-3284. Ready? Single-sided. Look at the tags. Look at the cut-aparts. They're like tags, and you can cut them up. And they got music sheets in there, and they got actual cut-aparts in there. And they got some really cool stuff. And, you know, it just repeats a couple of times, 3-4 times. Bo Bunny, 48 sheets. All right, so I got a pad here from Pebbles. This is called Happy Hooray card making paper. You guys know what this means. It means that it's a pad that's big enough, and it's probably perforated in the middle, so you can fold it in half and make a card out of it. $2.99. 221-4410 on that one. We do have in some more of these Cartabellas. This one's called Spring Market. It's $2.99. 221-928. That is a cute pad. We've got the Authentique. This is called Back to School. This is an 8x8 Authentique pad for $3.99. 2249765. These are double-sided, guys. Check them out. Really super cute. They got like mini cut-aparts in it. They're so cute. Right? All right, $3.99 on that one. Let's move on to the next one. I have Simple Stories, Always and Forever. Oh, this is like a wedding pad, guys. 2248342. Let's take a look. Black and white on this one. Ooh, make it go away. All right, we got a bunch of Echo Park stuff in. Let me look at this one first. Okay, so the first one we have is this one here. This one is called Country Kitchen from Cartabella. We'll just do this one real quick. $2.99 on this one. 221-1937. Look at the colors in this, guys. I mean, seriously, look at this. The colors are so vivid. Gotta love it. If you're doing a cooking journal or something like that, that one would be great. Then Echo Park, we've got two from Echo Park. The first one we have is called Good Day Sunshine. This one's $2.99, 221-1941. Look at the lemons. Double-sided paper on this one. Semi-photorealistic clouds. I mean, that's not real photorealistic. It's still art, but it still looks realistically done. Okay. So we got a bunch of neat ones in there. That one's kind of cute. And then this one here, this is the 6x6 down on the farm. 24 double-sided sheets in this one. 221-1931. Oh, cows. Guys, they got cows. Cow. There's cows. Moo. Look at cows. And horsies. All right, this one's really cute, guys. So if you're doing something kind of, you know, kitschy, that's for you. All right, the other thing that I found was this here. Now, this one isn't even out yet. I pulled this off the cart, okay? This is from Dilutions. $2.99.
2928, 24 sheets, including 12 exclusive dilutions of designs to color and make your own. 2 of each of 12 designs. Now, I can't open this all the way, so we're just going to peek. Sorry. So they're kind of like people in there.
Yeah,
they have
they're
some
the dilutions people.
cute little sayings.
They have their own.
There's a couple on the front there. You know, some ideas. But that's in there. All right, let's see. Now, I also found these, guys. You guys are going to love this. All right, so the other thing that I found were these. And they have a few different color sets. These are Deco Art, Fluid Art, Vivid Pouring Acrylics. That means they're already mixed. They're ready to pour colors. So if you've never done pouring before and it's something you wanted to try, this might be a good idea. And it's kind of economical. 224-0051, 224-0047. These are $6.99 a piece, and they come in sets of 4. And I have to tell you, we're going to take a walk. Because I have to tell you, these are not the only ones. Look. So we've got the blue set, which is like the purple and the blues and stuff. Then they have the black and grays. And then we've got the green and the red and orange and yellow set. So you've got all the primaries there that you're going to need to do that. And $6.99 a set, guys. $28 you could start painting, you know. All right, so we looked at one of these last week. Let's take a look again. So this is a simple story. It's a princess embellishment kit. So you get a sheet of enamel dots, 3 washi tapes, some paper bow clips. There's 4 of them in there. So you get 3 rolls of washi tape, 60 enamel dots, and 4 bow clips for $4.99. It's 224-8335. And like I said, we looked at the one for Blue Skies last week. So it looks like that's going to be something that's coming out. Then I found this. This is La La Love Sticker Roll, $2.99. 219-6344. 2 sticker spools, 1 yard each. They're just cute little, Valentine-y type stickers. Yes. Ooh, Chamel Glitter Girl. We got that in too for $3.49. 224-6790. Like that. That's pretty. All right. I have some Vicky Bouton here. This is Creative FX Rose Gold Glaze. $2.99 on this one. 223-6172. And there's quite a few new glazes and things that she's got in. That's the gold glaze. Also, some of her modeling paste is in, so we got a lot of that in. You guys take a look at that. And then the Moxie glitters, we got the Moxie glitters in too for $4.49. Number on the silver is 222-5857. So we got those in as well. Let's go back to the basket. What else could we possibly have? Well, we could have some Bo Bunny. That's right, we got some Bo Bunny stamps in, some brand new ones. These are like emoji faces. They're so cute. They're like festive emojis for $2.99. They're 223-6223. The Amy wants this one. And then they got the Postal for $2.99. 223-6220. Let's go back down to the Vicky Bouton. So in the Vicky Bouton, we also have this here. This is called a mixed media wedge. So you see you've got a couple flat edges there, some points, and then there's some scallop edges and stuff. $2.99 on this one. 216-9589. We got a few of those in. Anything else? Yeah, of course there's more. Guys, come on. You know there's more, right? All right. So we got Lost and Found right here from My Mind's Eye. This goes with the Lost and Found pad for $1.99. It's the ephemera kit. 50 count. 2, 2, 3, 5, 9, 7, 1. That's all the stuff. And then I found this. Now, Laura, do not lose your nut right here, okay? This is a border stamp and stencil for $3.99. 223-2921. This is the only one they have, and guess what? It's going home with me. All right, now, the next thing I have for you guys is the Spectrum Noir Sparkle. These are glitter ink, $8.99. We have 2237083, and that is going to be for your black onyx, your sterling silver, and your spun gold. The number for this one is 2237081. That's going to be for your moonstone, cosmos, and rose quartz. And then we have this one here. Number on this one is 2237082, and that is going to be for your red berry, your holly leaf, and your starry sky. Now, what else did I find? I found some stuff from Crafter's Companion. These are stamps by Chloe through Crafter's Companion, 6 pieces. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps and 2 cutting dies. $4.99 for this one. 2235994. And then this one, which is the Graceful Peacock for $2.99. 2236038. I like that one. And I also found some die cuts from Desire, or Desire. 2236073 for $7.99. And again, guys, if you find the die cut for the Alchemy collection, that is the palm, I need the stamp, guys. I got the die. I need the stamp. So, if you find it for that one right there, Sheena Alchemy, I need the stamp. So if you can come up with that stamp, get in touch with me. All right, Fisker's Punches. This is the one I picked up. This is the tree. $4.99 on this one. 2232857. They have this one, which is like a circular gift tag. $4.99. 2232840. We have the corner punch. This is a 3-in-1 corner punch in the Heritage. Let's see. 2232893. And finally, this one here, which is called the Deco Square for $4.99. This is the Squeeze Punch 2232859.
So, what did I get? So, I got some Punch Studio, and these are some paper shapes. Now, every time I see these, I get these. They're $2.49. I'm not even going to give you the number, guys, because, you know, it doesn't really matter. 16 pieces in here. Fantastic images. Got that. I got some Dimensions journaling tags. These suckers are huge. These are 10 number 10 mixed media tags. And these things are like, let's take a look. These are about 8 3/4 inches long. And I got some Bow Bunny stamps. I got some new postage stamps. I think I may have these, so this may be going back, but $2.99 on that one. I think I might have it now that I've looked at it at home, so I probably have it, so I'll check and maybe I'll take it back. Who knows? Tonic has got some new stamps out. This one here is called Inspired Time, and this one's $3.99, and it's really cute. I kind of like it, and it's different. It's a little kind of rough looking, so I kind of like that one, so I grabbed that. And then they had this one. Look at that, Crafter's Companion. It's called the Graceful Peacock. Isn't she pretty? And I don't know why I got it, because I really don't stamp anything anymore, but I just love it. $2.99 on that, so I grabbed that one as well. And then they had these. Love these. Look at these gems. And they're like all ombre and stuff. I like them. I like them. I like them a lot. So I grabbed these. I use these little ones here in this color for like bubbles in water. Then they had the 6x6 Echo Park. This is Cartabella. This is a 6x6 pad from Cartabella called Spring Market. You didn't have any ephemera or anything to go with this, but you know, that's okay because I probably have some stuff I can use. So I got that. I might make a small journal out of that. And then this here, this is Lovely Day. And Lovely Day is from My Mind's Eye. And it is Vintage Spring for $2.99. I got the paper pack for $2.99. There's 6 sheets of paper in there. So you get all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 of them. Isn't that cool? And they're double-sided. So you get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one all on the back. And then in the back of here, they had an entire 40-piece sticker set. So I got that. And they had the 6x6 pad. And we have to open this one, guys. It's not open. Your turn. So My Mind's Eye Lovely Day. This is the 6x6 designer cardstock double-sided paper. Let's take a look. So we got these roses and all of these little designs. And this is, there's gold foiling in here. I love this peonies. And so it's peonies and cabbage roses, pretty standard combination. What is that? Oh, and then these like lilies. Very pretty. Kind of a little grungy, but not too grungy. Oh, and look, boho. Hate that word. And then I got the 45-piece ephemera pack that goes in with this for $1.99. The vintage spring mixed pack. It's got some tags and birds and butterflies and stamps and things like that. Just some different random stuff. So I got one of those as well. So I got 2 sets of that. And so one of these is going to be a prize for something, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put this one away in the prize packs. And that's it. Okay, so that's all I got. And yeah, there is no more. So listen. Do me a favor, if you haven't hit the red button yet, please hit the red button. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I went to Tuesday morning and bought some stuff. And I'm going to do it again next week. And the week after that, and the week after that, and the week after that.
And the week after that.
Exactly. All right. So until I see you guys again, thank you so much. Love you. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.